Determine whether the functions has inverse function. Give the reason to your answer. Okay, for example, this one, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1. If it is inverse, you backward. So you see, from here, is it one image go to one object, one image go to one object, one image go to one object, because it is, we want to determine whether it is inverse function. If we want to determine whether a function given is a function or not, you have to see whether is it one object go to one image. So same as inverse function, is it one object backward to one image, one object backward to one image. So since it is one object go back to one image, one object, one image go back to one object, one image will go back, one object go to one image. So yes, it is a inverse function. How about this one? This one, to determine whether it is an inverse function, meaning that from y go back to x. So you make a line here. See, is it touching at one point? If you make a line here, is it touching at one point? So meaning that one object go to one image. Yes, this is an inverse function. For this one, because for the direct function is from x going to y. For inverse function, meaning that from y go back to x. So this one, you make a line which cut at y-axis. See whether it touching at one point. It touching at one point, it touching at 2 points. So is it an inverse function? Meaning that it will goes to 2. So it is not an inverse function. Okay, for this one, prove that the function has inverse function. So if you want to prove a function has an inverse function, you have to prove this one. You have to find their composite index. Find fg equals to x, and at the same time gf must equals to x. Okay, so fg equals to f. Insert our g. Our g is 3 minus x over 2. After that, you need to inverse this one in f again. Our f is 3 minus 2x. Here, teacher purposely bracket the x because I need to insert the new object. My new object now is 3 minus x over 2. 2 to simplify, 3 minus x. So 3 minus 3, negative, negative plus x. Okay, so the answer x. See, fg equals to x. Yes. And then you have to prove another way around. G f x equals to g, insert your f. Your f is 3 minus 2x equals to, and then your g is 3 minus x over 2. Again, I need to insert my new object. 3 minus 2x equals to 3, expanding, minus 3. 3 cancel, so 2x over 2. 2 cancel x. So gf equals to x. Yes, so you say that. Conclusion, therefore fx equals to 3 minus 2x has inverse function. That's it.